just like flies. Look out, there goes that Spider-Man. Is he strong? This is Bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from a thread? Take a look overhead. Hey there, there goes that Spider-Man.